As national economies become more integrated on a global scale, the emphasis on examining environmental performance and sustainability at the global level continues to grow. Pollutant Release and Transfer Registers, or PRTRs, have been recognized as a key resource in global-scale environmental analysis. When PRTR programs gather data that are consistent with other PRTRs, information from multiple countries can be harmonized or combined, creating an information resource for meaningful data-driven international analysis. To achieve maximum benefits from a PRTR, most countries incorporate standardized elements together with elements that address the country's own needs. This approach produces the most useful data for the PRTR program, as well as for regional and international analysis. Why standardize? The value of standardizing PRTR data is that the data collected by one PRTR can be combined with data from other PRTRs around the world to produce global analysis such as assessing the impacts of pollutants crossing borders, analyzing trends in pollutants with global effects, such as greenhouse gas emissions, gaining insights into whether governmental programs are decreasing pollution or shifting pollution to other locations, and comparing chemical use, releases, and efficiency by sector by PRTR program. Without standardization, countries may lose the opportunity to contribute to and learn from these types of global assessments. The key areas for PRTR standardization include chemicals, sectors, activity thresholds, data elements, and the timing of reporting. We'll discuss how to go about standardizing each of these areas of the PRTR, starting with chemicals. In 2014, OECD's Task Force on PRTRs developed a harmonized list of most toxic or environmentally relevant chemicals in commerce that were commonly subject to reporting under PRTR programs. As more and more PRTRs incorporate this harmonized list of chemicals into their own list of reportable chemicals, the comparability of PRTR data globally continues to increase. The 126 chemicals on the harmonized list include all persistent organic pollutants, all greenhouse gases, all chemicals covered under the UNEC protocol on PRTRs, also known as Kiev Protocol, and additional chemicals covered by at least 4 PRTRs. PRTRs can also enhance comparability by using the same coding system to identify each listed chemical. Most PRTRs use the Chemical Abstract Services, or CAS, registry, which provides a unique identifier for all chemicals described in the scientific literature. To further promote standardization, OECD's Task Force on PRTRs also developed a harmonized list of sectors, commonly subject to reporting by multiple PRTRs. By including these sectors, new PRTRs will be able to undertake comparative global analysis of chemical use and releases by sector. The harmonized list includes 154 sectors that are covered by at least 4 PRTRs. PRTRs can further enhance comparability by using the same coding system to identify each sector. Most PRTRs identify sectors using the 4-digit codes from the International Standard Industrial Classification of All Economic Activities, ISIC. ISIC is the international reference classification maintained by the United Nations Statistics Division. There are several other areas of standardization that facilitate global analysis. These include standardization of activity thresholds. Activity thresholds are used to limit PRTRs to facilities whose activities are minimally sufficient to trigger reporting, such as facilities that use more than 10,000 kilograms per year of a listed chemical. While activity thresholds vary among PRTRs, the protocol on PRTR's reporting thresholds may serve as a useful starting point for global standardization. These thresholds are in wide use among PRTRs, which facilitates harmonization. Moreover, PRTRs should minimally include the standard data elements for releases to the environment by environmental medium. These are releases to air, to water, to land, and off-site transfers. Furthermore, standardizing the reporting cycle further facilitates global analysis. Most PRTRs collect data annually, usually with a single window reporting period. Moreover, published data always refer to the previous reporting year. While standardization is essential for global analysis, customization of requirements for each PRTR is necessary to ensure PRTRs meet each country's own needs. A good example of standardization with regional variation is in the European Union. EU countries all follow the same standards, but still have regional differences customized to the environmental focus and industries in each country. Thanks for watching the module on PRTR standardization. To learn more, please visit UNITAR PRTR platform.